Welcome to Hülya's Turkish Kitchen. Hoş geldiniz mutfağıma. Today I'll be making oven-baked courgette hash browns or Fırın Kabak Mücveri. These tasty hash browns are great as a snack or served with a salad and Turkish pitta bread as a main meal. As requested, I have added Turkish translation throughout this video for my Turkish-speaking audience. Let me know what you think. Here's what you'll need. All the details are also in the description. For weekly posts of delicious recipes with a Turkish flavor, please consider subscribing to my channel, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let's get started. First wash, then trim the tops off 4 medium-sized courgettes. Grate the courgettes using the coarse side of a grater. When all the courgettes have been grated, squeeze out the excess water. Transfer the squeezed courgettes into a large bowl. Cover and set aside. Do the same with 4 medium-sized or 900 grams of potatoes. Add the squeezed potatoes to the courgettes in the set-aside bowl and keep covered. Meanwhile, cut in half, then finely slice the onions. I've used 2 white and 1 red onion, but you can use whichever you have handy. When the onions have been sliced, heat up about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a large frying pan. Add the sliced onions and saute on high to medium heat, stirring continuously. When the onions begin to soften, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Keep stirring until the onions begin to caramelize, then take off the heat. Going back to the grated courgettes and potatoes now, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, then add the seasoning. I've used 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon mixed spice and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add 30 grams of sultanas or dried apricots, 3 cups or 720 grams of flour. I've used oat flour, but alternative flour can also be used. Add 150 grams of grated cheddar. Fold in to combine all the ingredients. Use your hands to mix well. Avoid over-mixing though, as this will encourage the courgettes to release more water, which we want to avoid. Finally, add 2 eggs to help bond the mixture. Give it a final mix, then set aside for 15 minutes for the flour to absorb any excess juices. After 15 minutes of resting, add the cooled sauteed onions. Gently fold in, distributing the onions evenly amongst the mixture. We are now ready to form the hash browns. Oil a large baking tray with some olive oil and start forming in the palm of your hands approximately tennis ball size hash browns. The shapes can be varied to your preference, such as burger or oblong shapes can be used. Continue until all the mixture is used, using a second tray if needed. Altogether, I made 18 hash browns with this quantity. Bake in a preheated oven on the middle shelf at gas mark 6 or 200 degrees Celsius until golden. Afiyet olsun. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Hülya's Turkish Kitchen, posted weekly. Bu videoyu beğendiyseniz lütfen videoyu paylaşın ve kanalıma abone olunuz. Teşekkürler.